What is going on YouTube? My name is Lucas and today I'm going to talk about 5 stocks in which I am currently investing in. I'm buying up as much as I can when I can. So if you're interested in finding out about those 5 stocks, I suggest you stay tuned right after this. Before I start to get into those 5 stocks, I ask that you guys smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, comment down below, and now it's time to get into this video. Number 1, and I really have been just pouring it onto this stock because my goal is to get to 3,000 shares before we really start to take off like a rocket. And that stock, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be AgEagle. I currently have 1,150 shares, as you can see right here, and all the information that is pouring in on this company. Obviously, we're seeing the quarterly earnings, and we are seeing what type of executives they're hiring. This company is getting everything in place to make a huge announcement, and they're also in a sector that is absolutely up and coming, and it's going to be roaring onto scene. I mean, the drone market in itself is going to be just unbelievable to see where it heads, what major companies start to purchase or partner with, what drone companies. I think there's going to be a lot of action involving in this sector and in AgEagle. I like AgEagle for a couple reasons. The first one is that they have a series of things that they are capable of doing. Farming, hemp, and they're going after the package delivery. The second thing that I really like about this company is that they have zero long-term debt and they have a ton of capital on hand. I mean, they have a ton of cash on hand, roughly 25 million, I believe. So there is a reason why I like this company. Stock number 2, and it's going to be Aapl. I always joke in my videos that I'm going to take a bite out of Aapl, and well, I do. I enjoy Aapl. I really enjoy their products. I get excited every time that they release or have an upcoming, reveal or release. It's just amazing to see this company grow and expand in so many different ways. And it truly is. It's exciting to see where they can take it to the next step. This company is valued at market cap over $2 trillion. I mean, that's unbelievable. And for them to continue to keep growing and expanding and diving into the tech field is just absolutely amazing. So I'm going to tell you, I have currently at this time 130.852 shares. That 0.852 comes from, dividends. So I'm excited to have this. I'm going to keep plugging away at this, and hopefully down the road at some point it splits again and I ride off into the sunset. But in all honesty, we have to talk about the things that are going to make this stock go, because right now it's currently at a discounted price, in my opinion. $110 per share for Aapl. If you would have told me it would have been at that 6 months ago, I probably would have passed out. And so every opportunity I can, I'm buying Aapl. We got the iPhone 12 that's going to be released here, hopefully coming up in October. And then on top of that, we got quarterly earnings that will be quickly following after that. And then we have, obviously the holiday season. The holiday season is going to be absolutely amazing for this company when it comes to revenue. There's going to be so many different people that are purchasing the new Apple Series 6 watch, the new iPad that just was released because it's cheaper. It's a good option for kids. I mean, there's so many different things. So many people are going to be joining up with that subscription service they just released, and there's going to be a lot of people partaking in the physical fitness app that they just released as well, that provides videos and all kinds of other services through that. It's absolutely amazing to see. This watch is going to be unbelievable, with its heart rate monitoring system and the oxygen sensors. I mean, it's going to be cool to see this company continue to expand. The iPhone 12, 5G, and everyone is going to want it. So just keep that in mind. This stock is going to start heading north, and I do think that we're going to see that consistent trend stay north for a while. Number 3 on my list, and that is going to be Diamond Peak Holding, or soon to be Lordstown Motors. You know, I do personally feel that that is a big reason why this stock price is heading in the upward direction. I think a lot of people are climbing on board because they know that it's about to reverse merge and it will be trading under the ticker symbol RIDE. I'm super excited for this. You know, I'm invested at 110 shares, and I honestly have done so much homework, so much research. You guys clearly enjoy the videos because you've made it one of my biggest, you know, videos on this channel. So obviously I've put in the effort and, you know, the time to make a great video for you guys. Lordstown Motors has absolutely everything in place and they are ready. All they have to do is literally merge and they are going to hit the ground running. They have the plant in Lordstown Motors. They have obviously the orders, 25,000 pre-orders to be exact, and they are ready to start pushing out the Endurance, which is going to be an amazing truck. So I'm really looking forward to this. I really am looking for them to make that transition and really see what they are capable of doing as we start to get some numbers reported on this company. You know, quarterly earnings that would, hey, this is how many trucks we've produced in this amount of time. This is how much revenue we've, you know, generated. And the reason I say that is because their plant is absolutely amazing. It's huge. It can produce up to 600,000 plus vehicles. And so it's going to be exciting to see what this company is capable of doing. And like I stated, 110 shares is what I currently have, and I plan on adding to this position for sure. Stock number 4, and it is going to be Tortoise Acquisitions, HYLN, currently trading as SHLL, soon to be HYLN. I am absolutely looking forward to every opportunity that this company has. You know, like I stated, they are about to reverse merge and they will be trading under their own ticker symbol. And I think once they do that, the sky is the limit for this company. I do feel a lot of people are starting to climb on board with this company as well because that merger is about to happen. I think there is a lot of, you know, people excited to see what happens when these companies reverse merge due to Nikola's monster run when they did it. You know, even though they didn't have any product that was being produced, where it's a little different when it comes to the likes of a HYLN, who has actually produced 30,000 plus vehicles. You know, they have retrofitted a ton of parts into diesel trucks, and so they have the experience, they have the connections, they've been able to network, they have built a resume for themselves, and people know what type of service and what capabilities they have. You know, obviously the next step for them is to take the next step, and that is going to be the ERX, which is, you know, expected to be coming down the pipeline, and they are really looking forward to that. And I really think that's where this company, you know, really projects into the future. That's where they really start projecting those billions and billions of dollars in revenue. And I'm excited for this company. I think that there is a lot that is going to happen. It's in a niche within its niche. You know, obviously a tractor trailer that is all EV is going to be something special. And as of right now, you know, it appears, in my opinion, that they are one of the only ones that are solely focusing on this. Obviously, Tesla is supposed to be revealing one, and Nikola has been mentioned to do that, but we know about their situation. I'm just truly excited about HYLN. Stock number 5, and let me tell you, this company, man, I've done a ton of research. I've put in a lot of time. I've put a lot of effort into it, and that is going to be Wkhs. You know, I've invested in this company a little over a year and a half ago, probably a little more than that, and I just really started doing research on electrical vehicles. I was very intrigued when Tesla started making a huge ripple in the automobile industry, and so I started researching electrical vehicles, and I happened to come across Wkhs. So, you know, the whole idea of last mile delivery, it seemed very intriguing. You know, there really isn't any talks about it from other companies. Here and there, you know, you might see some, but it wasn't just the main focus like it is for Wkhs. Obviously, what intrigued me even more was the Horsefly, which is going to come with those, delivery service vehicles, and so it just seemed like a good decision. So I started to invest, and not only was I investing my money, but I was investing my time. I was investing a lot of research and just really continuously trying to figure out where and which direction this company was going. This last year, obviously this year 2020 hasn't been the best for a lot of companies. It hasn't been the best for the United States and even the world. The coronavirus has had a major impact, but what's been very unique is that Wkhs has found a way to stride and continue to grow and expand, and now the stock is starting to take off. They're obviously trying to get the United States Postal Service contract, which is valued at $6.3 billion. And I do feel that they are the front runner because of all the certificates, all the things that they have been able to pass. They are able to be sold in all 50 states. There's just a lot that this company has accomplished in their time as being a small company. Obviously, they did a partnership with Hitachi, and they are working with Ryder currently. They've been working with UPS for well over 6 to 7 years. And they just continue to build a network and grow. And they've been talking about refrigeration, and that is going to be that's just going to be gigantic for this company. All the things that use refrigeration, all the things that require delivery from a refrigeration style truck is just huge. So for them to be able to put out a prototype in which they are talking here at the end of this year 2020, it's going to be absolutely amazing. I am looking forward to everything that this company provides. I do feel, like I stated, they are the front runner in the United States Postal Service contract. That announcement should be made hopefully here on September 30th. The fiscal year ends on the 30th and it starts on October 1st. So we are getting closer and closer to that date, and we will hopefully find out if they win the contract. It feels like the stock is in preparation mode. A lot of people are climbing on board because they, can sense the urgency. They sense, the excitement. It's boiling over. So I don't blame a lot of people, but in general, it's just been exciting to be a part of this stock from the beginning and see it run. I invested in this company right around the $3 mark. I even purchased, I believe, 400 shares at like $2.75. So I've been in it for the long haul, and I plan on being in it even further. I want to see this company continue to grow, continue to expand, and just see what it's capable of doing. That's for sure. Those are the 5 stocks that I am currently investing in, and let me tell you guys, any chance I get, I am pushing money into these stocks. I'm getting as many as I can at every opportunity I possibly can, and it's just pure excitement. It really is. Every one of these stocks has a huge connection to me. I enjoy, waking up every day looking to see what these stocks are doing, and I have a personal emotional connection to them, probably because I've been invested in them for a while now. So you guys know anything I say in this video is for entertainment purposes only, and I am not a financial advisor. I'm here to entertain. I enjoy it. I love talking. I love making videos for you guys, and I love providing you stocks. And you guys know how I do it. If you like this video, smash that like button. It helps out tremendously. And if you enjoy the content, because I'm going to keep the content flowing, subscribe to my YouTube channel. As always, have a good day.